Okay guys, on today's video we're going to be unboxing this guy right here. So let's just get started. Let's go all the way here and we're going to open up the box. So here we go. Inside the box we can see this. Just your basic instructions. Now by the way, I do have a setup video plus a review of this guy right here. So you don't really need to actually even read the instructions. You guys can just watch my video on this YouTube channel. Now here's the charger. It looks pretty good. All the way around. Yeah, pretty basic, nothing to it. Just an all the way around plastic charger. Here's the cable that we get with it. Just standard cable. Now here's the robot. We're just gonna take everything apart. I gotta say, it's much heavier than my last robot. I did have another branded robot and I just bought this one. And it is much heavier, but it's nicer. Now here you guys can view the bottom of the robot. Now we're not gonna pull this yet because I don't want to activate it just yet, because that's for the setup video. What I want you guys to see is all the way around and everything you guys get inside the box. After all, this is an unboxing video. So at the moment, what you guys would get is this, plus some manuals. Everything you see right here is everything we get inside the box. Now what I'm going to do is just show you around the robot so you guys can get a better, closer look at it. And I'm just going to bring it all the way around so you guys know what you're buying. So this is the back of it. Now if we press this down, that button, this is going to slide out. We're going to see this right here. And yes, we can open this up just by pressing here. We can press here to open this up as well. And here we go. So we can view the filter. Pretty easy. Take it out and put it in. I'm going to close this up. Now let me show you how this looks inside. It looks and it feels like a pretty well built machine right here. I'm just going to put this back for now. There we go. Other than that, I'm just going to turn it over so you guys can get a good view down here below, because this is very important. Down here you'll notice these two things right down here. So let me just put this up a little bit more. See those? So that's how the charger works. So it's going to go on top and then it's going to charge right here. And something else we have pretty good access to is this. I'm just going to open it up so you guys can see. And I'm going to turn it around. Here we go. Now I love the fact that everything that's yellow indicates that you could move it around or take it out or something in that regard. So I'm just going to push this way. So it does tell me here in the arrow that way. So that's why I knew that I should take this out that way. So if I need to clean this out, which is something that you must do anyways, we always have to clean this up, then we would have to take it out like that. Now here's a quick close-up of the brushes right underneath. Here's the top portion, plus where it would charge. The wheels themselves. And the most important part about this, where we would see the buttons that we need to press in order for this to work, like it should. Now here's the front of it once again. As for the unboxing itself, we are done right now. That's all you guys get in the box. Right now at this point, what you guys should be checking out is the setup video, manual, and review right here in this channel. But for this unboxing, we are done. Anyways, if you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.